Hello guys, how are you? So welcome to my channel IG Tech Team and also welcome to another video. Now guys, in this video we will discuss about the error that we may face while converting our Python file to .exe file. And guys, I hope you have watched this video how to convert Python file into .exe file and also into setup file GUI app into .exe make app. So guys, we may face some error when we convert our Python file to .exe file. So how to solve this? First of all, I have one project called face recognition system. Let me open this. This is my all file related to face recognition project. Now guys, I will convert this project into .exe file. So first of all, let me open my command prompt. Guys, I have opened my command prompt inside my face recognition project that is located in my desktop. So here, first of all, I need a PyInstaller package, and to install this package, I can write pip install PyInstaller. And using this PyInstaller, I can convert my all file into exe file. So first of all, let me write one file, means create only one file, and then w means it doesn't show console when we open .exe file, and then our file name, Python file name. So you can see here, in my case, my Python file name is facerecognizer.py. So I have to write here facerecognizer.py, and let me press enter. Now it will take a little bit more time. So guys, this is one the step to convert our Python file into .exe file. Later we will discuss about the error. Guys, be patient and wait, because it may take a little bit more time depending on your complexity of your project. And guys, in this video I will discuss about 3 solutions. And first of all, I will show you the error. So let's wait. So it successfully convert my Python file into .exe file. Now guys, let me minimize this, and I don't need this spec and this build file, so simply delete this, and inside this disk folder we have our .exe file. So let me move this file, Ctrl X, and I need to paste in my previous folder here, Ctrl V. So you can see here I have a face recognizer application file in my main folder. Now let me delete this dist, and let me open my face recognizer application file. And guys, you can see here fatal error detected, failed to execute script face recognizer. So this is the error, and I will solve this error in this video. And guys, one thing you must have to remember, the reason of this error message in my case may not be the same reason of this error message in your case. So I will give you 3 solutions. So first of all, let me click on this OK. So in number 1, you must have to check your Python file once again. If there is error in your code, then it will give you some error when you execute .this application file. So guys, first of all, you have to execute this Python file and make sure you have no any error in your Python file. So first of all, let me open my command prompt, and to execute this Python file, you can share this is my Python file, and to execute this Python file I can write Python and my Python file name. So what is my Python file name? You can see here facerecognizer.py. So I have to write here Python space and then face recognizer dot py, and let me execute this. Okay, I have one error, name tk is not defined in my case, not in your case, maybe not in your case, this is in my case. So guys, if you have any error in your code, in your Python file, then it will show you a message, that is error message, failed to execute script. So you have to check your Python file, and guys, if your code is correct, then 90% sure your application will open without any error. So you have to check your Python file. Now let me close this, and this is my Python file. So let me open my IDLE, edit with IDLE. So edit IDLE. I have to correct my error, means I have to import my tkinter library. So here I have to write import tkinter as tk. So this is the error in my case. Let me press Ctrl yes, and let me close this. Now again let me open my command prompt cmd, and again let me execute my Python file. So Python face recognizer recognizer.py, and let me press enter. Okay, my GUI application file is successfully opened. So this is my Python file. So guys, now my code is correct, means my Python file is correct. But if I open this application, so this is my application, if I open this application, the error is still displaying. So failed to execute script face recognizer. I have to delete this. So let me delete this application file, and I need to convert this Python file once again. So let me open command prompt, and then PyInstaller one file w, and then face recognizer dot py. Let me press enter. So my Python file is successfully converted into .exe file. Now guys, let me close this, and let me delete this build.n.spec file, and then let me open dist folder, and let me move this file to my previous folder. And finally let me delete this folder, and let me open face recognizer application file. Okay, you can see here my application file is successfully opened. So there is no any error now. So I have solved my error. If your errors get solved, cheers guys, and if not, now let me introduce you to second solution. So let me close this, and in second solution you have to update your PyInstaller. So first of all let me open command prompt. Guys, this is second solution. When you install your PyInstaller by writing command pip install PyInstaller, this is not a latest version. This is PyInstaller version 4.0, and if you want to install latest version of PyInstaller, means 4.1 development version, you have to write pip install. So this is the one GitHub repository. You can get PyInstaller from this link. So github.com PyInstaller, and again PyInstaller, and then you have to write archive, and then develop.zip. So in this way you can download latest version of PyInstaller. So pip install https://github.com pyinstaller/pyinstaller/archive/develop.zip, and then you have to repeat all the previous step. Means you have to convert your Python file into .exe file again. So pyinstaller one file w, and then your project name, your Python file name.py in this way. So this is the second solution. And guys, in the third solution, suppose if your Python file is opened successfully, and if it displays some error in your application file, you can follow this step. So you have to write pyinstaller and then one file, and then don't write w. You have to display your console, so don't write w, and then your Python file name. So in my case, face recognizer.py, and press enter. And then when you open your application file, it will display your console, but it also disappears very quickly. So you have to open command prompt, and to execute your application file, you can directly write your application file name. Suppose in my case it is face recognizer.py, sorry, not py, it is application file, so I have to write .exe. So this is my application file name. To run Python file, I have to write Python and then Python file name, but to run application, I have to write directly my application file name, so face recognizer.exe. And if I click on enter, you can see here there is no any error in my case, but if you have any error, then it will display after this line. So guys, in the first solution, you have to check your Python file and make sure your code is correct. And in the second case, you can update your pyinstaller, and in the third case, you can display console and check what is your error. So guys, I hope this video helped you, and if not, do comment what is your error, and I will try to find solution for you. So guys, how is this video? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.